Good day to all of you mga ka-network and nandito tayo ngayon sa pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay GNS3, no? Pero ang gagawin natin is we're going to configure yung tinatawag na EIGRP. Okay? Now ang EIGRP actually pag tinignan mo yung curriculum ni CCNA, wala na siya ron hindi na siya ron kasama. Ang kasama na lang na pag-uusapan na detailed is yung OSPF. Okay? Pero yung RIP at saka yung EIGRP, wala na doon sa curriculum. Pero may nakalagay pa rin kasi doon na IP routing. So ibig sabihin, sa IP routing, kasama pa rin yung EIGRP at saka yung RIP. No? Not to mention of course, yung ibang types ng protocol na ginagamit sa IP routing. That is why, ang gagawin natin ngayon is ang ituturo ko sa inyo is how to configure yung EIGRP na baka sakali pagdating sa exams no ay ituro sa inyo or ibigay sa inyo ito sa exams. Okay? So simulan na natin ngayon. Ito yung ating magiging topology. This will be a very simple topology na meron tayong dalawang routers, tapos meron tayong dalawang switches, and then meron tayong dalawang end devices, no? PC1 on one end, and on the other end we have the PC2. So ang pinaka-goal kasi natin dito ay itong dalawang PC ay magkaroon ng communication via the routers. Alright? Pero syempre, ang uunahin natin gagawin kasi dito sa topology natin, wala pa itong IP address. Okay? So lalagyan muna natin to ng IP address and then we're going to configure EIGRP both on router 1 and router 2. And I'm going to show you yung mga different ways of configuring EIGRP. Okay, so by the end of the lesson, makikita na natin o malalaman natin na madali lang naman pala mag-configure ng EIGRP. Okay, so unahin natin yung paglalagay ng IP addresses. We will have an IP address on PC1 first and then susunod na natin kagad si PC2. And then of course doon sa router 1 and sa router 2. Yung mga switches natin, hindi na natin lalagyan to ng IP addresses. This will be all pass-through lang naman ng mga devices ito. So we don't need IP addresses on these devices. Okay? And of course, ang PC1 ang uunahin natin. Ang IP address niya ay 10.0.0.2. Okay, ito yan. And this is the network address. Alright, 10.0.0.0/8 network. And then of course, ang IP address ay 10.0.0.2 for the PC1. Okay? Now, pagdating kay GNS3, if you're already familiar with this, ito kasing PC natin ay ano ito VPCS. Okay? So ang configuration ng IP address for this type of devices ay kakaiba compared kung ang ginagamit mo ay mga PC running Windows OS or Linux OS. Okay? So ang paglalagay ng IP address dito ay sabi ko nga medyo kakaiba ng konti. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. For example, on PC1, this is 10.0.0.2. Tama? So this is /8. Okay? At ang magiging default gateway ni PC1 is this IP address which is 10.0.0.1. Okay? So ilalagay natin kay PC1 ay yung IP address niya at yung default gateway niya. Okay? So how do we do that? Simple lang, ganito lang. On PC1, ang gagawin lang natin is we simply say IP and then that will be 10.0.0.2. Okay? Okay? And then yung kanyang mask, yung kanyang subnet mask, instead na 255.0.0.0 na katulad ng ginagawa natin sa mga end devices natin, especially running Linux or Windows, dito, sandali lang o simple lang. Lalagay mo lang 8. Kasi alam naman natin na ang 255.0.0.0 ay /8. Correct? So this will be its mask. So very convenient. No? And then, ang gagawin lang natin is we're going to also indicate here the default gateway. So the default gateway of this PC is 10.0.0.1. So press lang natin yung enter and then checking for duplicate addresses and makita nyo na ngayon na yung PC1 natin has this IP and this mask, and the gateway is 10.0.0.1. Alright? And then para ma-check nyo lang, pwede natin gawin is show IP. Okay, so to check, para ma-verify lang natin kung tama yung binigay natin na IP address. So this is 10.0.0.2/8 with a default gateway of 10.0.0.1. Alright, and kasama din dyan yung inyong MAC address, okay, and some more information. Alright, so okay na yung ating PC1. Now let's head to PC2. And ganun din ang gagawin natin. But of course, for PC2, ano yung IP address niya? That is 172.16.0.2. This is actually the network address, pero yung IP address ay 172.16.0.2/16 for PC2. At ano yung kanyang default gateway? Ang default gateway niya ay 172.16.0.1. So gawin natin yan dito kay PC2. Sabihin natin IP 172.16.0.2. Ang kanyang mask ay /16. So you simply put in there 16. Okay? And then yung kanyang default gateway ay 172.16.0.1. Alright? So enter lang natin yan and checking for duplicate address. And there you go. Ito na ngayon yung inyong IP address, the mask, and of course the gateway. So tapos tayo kay PC1 at saka kay PC2. Now, ito naman ang gagawin natin, yung kay router 1 at saka kay router 2. So punta tayo kay router 2. Okay? And then enter lang natin yan. Let's go to the global configuration mode. And ano ilalagay natin? Palitan natin yung host name. No? Kasi para hindi tayo malito, no? Kung sino bang router ang kinoconfigure natin. So this is R1. So we're going to change the host name to R1. And then dalawang interfaces, no, ang lalagyan natin, the GI0/1 and the GI0/0. Unahin natin itong GI0/1. So that will be interface GI or G0/1. Okay na yan. And then lagyan natin ng IP address, shortcut na, no? Kahit hindi mo buuin, hindi ba? So IP add, and then this will be 10.0.0.1. Since the mask is /8, so ang gagawin natin ay 255.0.0.0. Then enter natin yan. Okay na? And then we will place here no shut or no shutdown. Okay? So hintayin lang natin ng konti and may notification na lalabas telling us na na-configure na natin yung IP address. To verify, ang gagawin natin is we're going to say do show IP interface brief. Alright? And then may kita nyo, yung GI0/1 has this IP address and ang status niya ay up at ang protocol niya ay up din. Alright? Okay, so gawin naman natin yung sa GI0/0. So paano naman ginagawa yon? Pwede akong mag-exit. Pwede rin hindi na. Pwedeng diretso ka na doon sa interface. Pero nag-exit ako para alam natin kung saang interface tayo pupunta. So we will say here GI or G0/0. And then sabihin natin IP address. Okay. This is GI0/0. Ito yung i-configure natin. At ang IP address niyan ay 192.168.1.1. Alright, /30. Sir, ano tong 192.168.1.0/30 na ito? Ito yung kanyang subnet address or the network address. Okay? Pero yung specific IP address for the GI00 is 192.168.1.1. Okay? So, lagay natin ngayon 192.168.1.1. Okay? So, 255.255.255.252. And lagay natin ay no shutdown. So, dapat alam nyo na yung IP addressing, no? Kung bakit, sir, bakit naging 252 ito? 255.255.255.252. No? Bakit naging ganito to? Dapat alam nyo na yung IP addressing by now, no? At kung hindi nyo pa alam, I have the free tutorial for the IP version 4 and IP version 6 doon sa aming website sa www.topreviewcenter.com, and you can enroll there for free. In buong module yon, no? Together with the IP version 6. At doon matututunan nyo kung paano mag-set up ng IP address and at the same time kung paano mag-configure ng mga devices ng IP address katulad ng ginagawa natin. So kung wala kayong clue tungkol sa ginagawa natin ngayon, I suggest you go to that tutorial. Alright? Okay, but for the meantime, yung mga nakakaalam na, alam ko, alam nyo na ito, no? So, ini-exercise na lang natin. And then we're going to exit out. And then we now go to, magano tayo, no? Do show IP interface brief. Alright, to check kung siya ba ay nailagay. Yes, nailagay siya. Yung IP address, the status is up, and the protocol is also up. So wala tayong problema dito sa IP address natin for router 1. Now, let's move to router 2. And ganun din ang gagawin natin. Maglalagay tayo ng IP address on GI0/0 and the GI0/1. Unahin natin si GI0/0 this time. Okay? So, go to global configuration mode. And then we go to GI. Pwede natin gawin GI. Tama? Okay. Ginagawa ko lang G para mas maiksi na lang konti. Okay. And then let us say IP address. What's the IP address of GI0/0? That is 192.168.1.2 and /30 yung kanyang subnet mask. Alright? So lalagay natin ngayon 192.168.1.2. That's 255.255.255.252. That is because it is /30. Alright? And then lagay natin no shutdown. And then bago natin i-check, no, kung talagang nailagay ba yung IP address doon sa interface, let's head on to the GI0/1 and then later on check natin para isahang punta na lang tayo ron. Okay? Okay, so exit na tayo rito and let's go to GI0/1. Oops, kamali. Lagay natin 0/1. Lagyan natin ng IP address. What is the IP address of GI0/1? That's 172.16.0.1. And that is /16 na subnet mask. Okay? So that will be 172.16, okay, .0.1. And that is 255.255.0.0. And you place here the no shut command. And maya-maya, meron na tayong notification na makikita. Okay? Okay na. Now, pwede na tayong mag-verify. Pag-verify, do show IP interface brief. Make it a point na lagi kayong nag-check, no? Kung yung IP addresses nyo ba ay nakuha ninyo or hindi, o kung nailagay nyo ba o hindi. No? Dahil later on, pag nagkamali ka dyan, kahit na maglagay ka ng EIGRP, natural hindi yan gagana at baka ma-frustrate ka. No? Kaya kailangan as you configure, mas maganda i-verify nyo na rin kaagad. Okay? Para hindi kayo pabalik-balik doon. And syempre, you want to make sure na tama yung nilalagay natin na IP address. Okay? So, puputulin muna natin dito and then we will move on to the configuration of EIGRP on the next part. I'll see you there.